Welcome back to Processing Brains. In this video, we will learn how to download and install Visual Studio Code in Windows 11. Visual Studio Code or VS Code is a software that would help you to write code and execute it. So to download and install it, first we will go and open up any browser. Here I am on Google Chrome, and here type in for VS Code and hit enter. So we have code.visualstudio.com. So simply go and open this. It says download for Windows. So just go and download it. And within few moments, here you can see the download has begun. And within few seconds, that would be completed. So just go and wait for a while. So we are done. Either we can open it directly from here, or you can always go to your downloads folder. And here you can see VS Code. Simply go and double click to open this. And wait for a while. So simply go and accept it. Click on next. Click on next. Next. Make sure that these two are check marked. And if you want a desktop icon, check mark this as well. Click on next. Install. And the installation process is automatic, so simply go and wait for a while until this completes. And here we are almost done. So here simply go and check launch Visual Studio Code. Click on finish. And here it's open. So you can select the theme and do all the things as you want. So hope by doing so you'll be able to download and install Visual Studio Code in Windows 11. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.